Hello, I'm John Ross, sales specialist with Western Products. It was a tannish, creamish color. They had some hail damage. We're getting some peeling from the hail. We come to the conclusion that we needed to redo the whole house. We put the 4-inch Dutch lap in the color Storm, fascia and gutters in Northwood, and then we did the downspouts to match the siding in Storm. With the weather, we actually got very lucky. We had a great fall for installation. The nice thing with Western Products, we have heated trailers to keep all of our steel warm. It makes the installation process just like it'd be summer. The installers did a great job. It was seamless, just like our siding, and proud to look at it and know that we did a good job there. The Storm and Northwood are a great combination. It allows that blue to kind of pop out but not be overwhelming. It just gives it a nice pop for the house and then also for the neighborhood as well.